We're here at Fashion Design, and I want to show you what's actually happening. I know you saw the other video of Santa is coming to Fashion Design, but I want to show you and the man behind the camera what's going on, so we're all ready to show you what we're working on. So, holidays are coming. I know it's Halloween right now. So
Halloween is coming.
Halloween is not right now.
Not happening yet.
Halloween is not right now. Halloween is coming.
Mm-hmm.
But so part of our campaign, I guess, we're not skipping Halloween, so nobody is freaking out.
The best.
The best, yeah. So we wanted to show behind the scenes of what's going on, preparation for the holidays, because the holidays they come so fast, right? And we only have technically November and then December, and a lot of people like remove their Christmas decorations so quick.
Yeah, I feel like the first day of the year, they're already like tearing everything down, which I'm not.
No, me neither.
It takes me a while because I want to enjoy every second of it.
Yeah.
So that's why you guys are starting early to enjoy the most out of the holidays, right?
The main goal is because right now we are in September, but because we need so much time, we have to and we can't really hide things, right?
Right.
So that's why Santa called super early, and he needed Airbnb in Vegas. So we are preparing right now for so we have the kids' room. You're standing in the kids' room right now.
This is it?
This is it. And we are starting to change things over. So here, every angle of this room is going to be completely transformed. Right now we're standing in a gift box area, which probably gifts inside, yes. And I'm not gonna tell you yet what we're doing with it. We're going to be filming the whole process.
Yeah, we're doing step by step of everything that we're doing here in the studio, because obviously it's an art studio, so you guys are getting super creative with every aspect, and you guys are turning everything into a new room.
Yeah, it's gonna be unrecognizable because it's gonna be Santa's house. So yeah, I am very excited. We're gonna have, and the main thing is though, it's going to be an opportunity for people to take Santa photos.
Yep.
But the Santa photos are gonna come with experience, and that's the main goal is, because it's such a special time. We went to take our photos last year and the year before.
At the mall, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was fun.
It's so fast. You're in, you take a photo, and you're gone.
Yeah.
And I think that's what I'm really looking forward to for this experience, that it's not just something quick.
Yeah.
It's a lot more than that.
Yeah. It's it's a special time with your family that maybe you're marking your calendar because it's a special memory that you're making with your family, and we want to add almost add a new tradition to that, because it's a fun time.
It's different.
Yeah.
Also, you've never seen anything out in Vegas, how this is gonna be.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I've never heard of anything like this, which is what I'm most excited for. Makes me want to do it, but I'll probably be filming it.
You'll be there.
I'll be there.
I'll be there. Yeah.
Capturing the moment. But it's really exciting. It's really creative. It's unlike anything that I've ever seen in Vegas. So I'm really hyped to see the final showcase. But we are going to be pushing out content on the build every single week.
Yes.
A lot of creative work is going to go into this. Yeah. A lot of work in general.
Yeah, and we will be checking in with Santa, because Santa is expecting.
He's coming.
Yeah.
He's working on his belly right now.
Yes.
But he's
and the presents.
And of course.
The naughty list.
Of course.
Nice and naughty list. So you guys make sure you're on the nice list. And
subscribe. Notifications on. A lot of good stuff coming out.
Yes. And follow along.